Today, I want to show you how you can use Toolhouse and Zapier to grab any YouTube video, turn it into a tutorial, blog post, social media post, or just content out of that YouTube video. All right, the workflow looks something like this. I'm starting with a trigger. I'm using Webhook. I'm going to explain how this stuff works, but yeah, I'm starting with a trigger. I have only one agent for this task, so one Toolhouse agent is needed here. And I'm just formatting the agent response, just using some formatters to extract the information I need, and I'm passing that to my Google Sheets. And the output looks something like this. So I like to have a tutorial overview in my sheets, so I added this column, summary, the full content, and extra resources. But before we take it into the action and see how it performs, basically what I did was I went to Agent Studio and I said, hey, I'm gonna give you a lot of transcripts, use your built-in MCP server capabilities, use internet, use whatever you have, deep search internet and whatever you have to enrich my tutorial. And I give it an example that, hey, I need this to look something like this. So this is the example I'm referring to. And yeah, we hooked it up to our workflow and let's test it out. All right, to begin, you need this Streamlit tool. I just wipe coded it. So I give a YouTube link to it and it gives me a transcript and I can send all this information with the webhook to my Zapier. So remember, we had this hook here. I'm just going to the tab, test tab. I'm grabbing this link and I'm passing this to my Streamlit app. So when I click send to Zapier, all these transcripts will be sent to my workflow. That's the goal for my workflow. Hey, we got information, let's run this, something like that. And yeah, let's press this button to see if we got the record. Great, we got the record here, and let's test it, right? So let's hit test run, and you see the created just now request J. So we got the transcript, we got the whole information right there, and yeah, let's test it out. Okay, great. Everything ran perfectly. We got the success, all green stuff, makes it perfect. And let's go to our Google Sheets. All right, sweet. We got a new entry in our sheets. Even though it was the same link, it came out with different wordings. And yeah, we are happy with it. So this was a quick tutorial of how you can make this happen using Toolhouse and Zapier. Let me know what you'd like to see next, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.